Long ago, Earth was home to extraordinary creatures that occupied both the land and the sea. Among these incredible beings were some of the biggest land mammals to have ever existed. Let's go on an exciting journey through time to uncover amazing prehistoric mammals like Indricotherium, Megatherium, Glyptodon, Steller's sea cow, and Diprotodon. In the ancient lands of Central Asia, a magnificent creature known as Indricotherium roamed the earth. It stood as tall as a three-story building, reaching up to a whopping 20 feet. Can you imagine looking up and seeing such a colossal creature? And not only was it tall, but it was also incredibly heavy, weighing as much as 10 large African elephants standing on a scale together. Indricotherium lived during the Oligocene and Miocene epochs, which were about 34 to 23 million years ago. It was a land mammal, just like the modern-day tapir. It had a trunk-like upper lip. Now, let's travel across the world to the lush forests of South America during a different time called the Pleistocene epoch, which was about 2 million to 10,000 years ago. Here we encounter Megatherium, the giant ground sloth. Picture a sloth, but supersized. It could grow up to a remarkable 15 feet long and weigh like 5 small cars lined up together. Despite its massive size, Megatherium was an herbivore. It was truly a slow-moving giant, but its size and unique features made it a truly fascinating creature. Again, from South America during the same Pleistocene epoch. Here, we find the remarkable Glyptodon, a giant armored mammal. Imagine a creature that could grow up to 10 feet long. Glyptodon's body was encased in a protective bony shell, just like the armadillos we see today. With its unique armored features and its ability to burrow, Glyptodon was a true survivor in its prehistoric world. Now, let's dive into the depths of the Bering Sea during a more recent time called the Holocene epoch, which was about 17,000 to 200 years ago. Here, we encounter Steller's sea cow, a giant marine mammal. Imagine a creature that could grow up to an astonishing 30 feet long. That's longer than a school bus and heavier than 2 large elephants. Steller's sea cow had a thick layer of blubber to insulate itself from the cold waters. This gentle herbivore dined on a diet of kelp and other marine vegetation, using its strong jaw and specialized teeth to extract nourishment from the underwater forests. It was first described by Georg Steller in 1741. They were hunted to extinction by fur traders, who killed them for their meat and hides. Let's travel to the ancient continent of Australia during the Pleistocene epoch. Here we encounter Diprotodon, one of the largest marsupials to have ever lived. Diprotodon was a giant, with some individuals reaching lengths of over 10 feet. Its barrel-shaped body and robust build made it a formidable presence in prehistoric times. It was an herbivore, just like its modern-day relatives, kangaroos and wombats. It was truly a unique and impressive creature from Australia's ancient past. These remarkable prehistoric mammals, from the towering Indricotherium to the armored Glyptodon, and the massive Megatherium to the majestic Steller's sea cow, exemplify the extraordinary diversity that once graced our planet. As we uncover more fragments of their existence through ongoing scientific research, we gain deeper insights into the wonders of our planet's prehistoric past.